Yeah guys, if you're looking for a very lightweight, stylish watch which still has everything built in what we can expect in 2026 and probably also in the upcoming years, then I have a super interesting smartwatch for you. The brand is Yoever and the model is DR03. By the way, I got it for free to show you all the really nice details and features, but it's still my honest opinion because I would never claim something which is not true. So during this video, I'm going to take it out of the box, show you how to connect, how to set it up, a little bit of the app, and then pretty much all the functions which are built into this watch. So stay tuned till the very end of the video.
And it has arrived in a very beautiful box. So everything really nice, organized. Comes with a proprietary standard USB A2 magnetic charger, instructions manual, pre-attached watch band, but with a separate leather style band. Easy to replace with this quick release function here. Easy to replace in just a few seconds. Quick instructions here to remove. And it came actually already 100% charged. And so of course the time is off. And for that we have to connect it to the app. We select the language. You get even the instructions what to download, very fit app from the official Google Play Store or Apple App Store. When we swipe to the right side, we get even the QR code. Of course, I have to blur that. And so in the very fit app, we have to go to the device tab and click on add device. Of course, we have to give all the permission, otherwise we cannot connect. And now it's searching for device. Yeah, and it has found it instantly. Of course, I have to blur that too here. So we click on DR03, confirm pairing. If you get an additional Bluetooth pairing request, also accept that. Also make sure you allow display over other apps. And so we have everything here. Confirm the language, confirm the units, set all the notification reminders. There's even a new version available, so they definitely care about this device. Firmware upgrade successful, and it has also synced the time now. And so we have it now ready to use after only a couple of minutes. Super easy, everybody can do that. And so now of course the right time to do some more settings. For example, installing some more watch faces. A lot of them are free. Yeah, definitely a beautiful one. Then we can do sports setup, notification settings for a lot of apps, set alarm times, enable call alerts, activate health tracking. And so you can see what we have. We have a ton of health tracking which we can activate. We can activate heart rate, stress monitoring, respiratory rate, SpO2, drinking reminder, hand washing reminder, walk around reminder, sleep monitoring, and even some female stuff. Control the music from here. Activate quick reply for SMS and even more. For example, weather information. You can even set your goals so the app will compare to what you are doing. And so here we have the watch after using it for 3 days. It has been holding up really nice. You can see how we are waking it up usually with a wrist gesture or just with pressing the button. Visibility of the display is really good inside and also outside. Inside already on a very low brightness, and outside of course better on high brightness. We see the red dot here which is indicating a notification, so we can just swipe up and see for example this message here. Depending on what's the message we can reply or just delete it. On top we have the status menu where we can adjust the brightness directly from here. Activate do not disturb, activate the wrist gesture, use the flashlight function, or drain the speaker after using it in the water, see the alarms, activate, deactivate, change them directly here. I have already 6 alarms and you can see I could add even more. And on the right side we have more, for example the settings. We have definitely a very modern user interface. We can see that for example when we swipe to the right side. So we have the weather information and we have the last used apps here, so we can use them directly from here. And on the right side we have the tiles, for example the activity for the day. We can click here and then it will be adjusted and we can see all the details, everything what we have been doing, health, fitness, walking, absolutely amazing. But we have more tiles, for example here the steps with a lot of information. or the heart rate information. You can see automatic 24/7 recording. We can do a measurement directly from here. Then also directly see the stress level, start workout. We have really a lot of different workout possibilities. What's awesome in the swim mode here is we can set the pool length, confirm, and then it counts down and starts measuring calories, meters, laps. And what's awesome is you can see now the screen is protected. So even when the screen is touching water, it won't do any crazy stuff. You can see also the lock icon here. So when we want to unlock it again, we have to long press, and then we have the calling function, call history, dial pad, frequent contacts, and it has been working really good. I've done a recording with this built-in microphone, and so I'm going to play that now for you.
DR03 microphone test.
And so I've also been listening, and I have to say that it's one of the best microphones I've ever seen in a smartwatch. On the right side we have the sleep information and really a lot of information directly here on the watch. Of course we have much more information in the app, daily overview, weekly, monthly, yearly overview, and even some AI analysis. Here even the music control, and on the right side detailed weather information for the next couple of days. That's it regarding the tiles, but of course we have much more. When we just return and then push again, we have the whole overview of all the apps here. You can also see how nicely we can scroll here, so the touch screen is working really nicely, very responsive. Beautiful animation here, nice and smooth. And so we have a lot of similar things which we have already seen in the tiles, like the activity, the phone. But we have also an AI voice assistant where we can use the assistant which you have already installed on your smartphone. Don't have to show you that, but it has been working right out of the box for me. Also the workouts here as a nice extra, the workout records. Then I got an alarm right away. You can see always includes this sound, so I can snooze it here on the display with this button or stop it completely here. Again, heart rate, blood oxygen, stress measuring, sleep, female cycle, breathe training, different clock functions. So we have the alarm again, stopwatch and timer. Timer really nice here. You can see when I start it, I can go back to the main screen and get this icon here. And so I know that the timer is still running in the background. So I can go back, clock, timer, and you can see it has been really running in the background. We have predefined times, but we can set also our own time up to 24 hours. Again, the weather, music, remote camera, find phone, calculator, something really nice. Unwind time, something I've never seen. Pretty much like predefined timers. And even some games. We have the airplane game here. You can go left, right. Similar to the stuff which we had some 30-40 years ago. Really interesting. Roll the dice, even nicely animated. You can see service means QR code for the contact information and the settings again. It has also been very comfortable, super lightweight. I've added a couple of watch faces here, you can see. So we can not only install one, we can install a couple of them. I don't know what's the limit. Charge after 3 days was still above 50%, so we can easily get maybe 6-7 days from one charge. Of course, now it's a little bit lower after using that in this video. I had always a very stable connection to the app, never had to manually reconnect, was never missing a call or notification. Also really nice during the night because of the scheduled do not disturb, even though we have it here manually. I've activated the scheduled do not disturb during the night in the app, and so I never had to do anything during the night because with the do not disturb it would also not activate the screen, also not with touching, with nothing. Didn't get any notifications, definitely worked. So I didn't have to do anything in the morning, nothing to do in the evening. absolutely perfect. So overall not a bad watch. Again, we have this, I would say, really slim watch band here. I mean, really narrow, still a standard, you can buy it, but the original band is also very short. This can work for children or women, but for fully grown men, probably a little bit too small. For me it worked, but I have a really narrow wrist. Disadvantage also regarding the alarms, because it's not possible to disable the audible alarm. So whenever you get an alarm here, it will play this really loud sound. It's not possible to disable that. Also, when you get the alarm and you just push the button here on the right side, it won't stop the alarm, but only snooze it for 10 minutes. You really have to touch the screen and disable the alarm. But of course, this thing is not related only to this watch. It's actually related to all watches which are using the Very Fit framework. And this is something which has been ongoing for years. So I'm not expecting that they will add an option to remove the audible alarm and have only vibration. And in the app, you have also a lot of pressure for add-ons or subscriptions. I mean, you can still use it without, it's no problem. You can also install a lot of free watch faces. These were all free here. And because of the pressure for the subscriptions, the app is a little bit overloaded. But of course, we'll get used to that. Of course, we don't have a rotatable crown. I mean, we can rotate it, but it won't do anything. It won't do any scrolling or so. And sometimes the watch is responding a little bit slower. You really have to find out where to hit the screen or where to touch. You can see sometimes you have the impression that it's not doing what you want. I mean, I would say 90% of the cases it's no problem, but sometimes it happened to me that it wouldn't do exactly what I wanted, but it's rather rare. Waterproofness is IP68, which is maybe a little bit below par. Usually we can expect 5 atmospheres in 2026, but I mean, it's still okay. But if you want to buy it, especially for pool swimming or so, I would maybe look for something with 5 atmospheres. And of course, we do not have an always on display and we do not have wireless charge, but of course that's not something which I would expect in this class. Other than that, if you really like it, if you like the function, if you like the price, then you're good to go. And if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this watch, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.